today we're heading back out. We got that motorhome I went and looked at the other day, and we didn't have parts for it. Well, the belt blew off of it, and I checked the tensioners and idlers, and everything else looked to be fine. So we're heading back out there in the white truck, and I got the fender fixed on it. It's good enough, but it is a beautiful day. It's a little windy out, sunny but a little windy. So, but tomorrow's supposed to be beautiful. So we're going to give you some highlights on fixing that and what to look forward to on these motorhomes if you go to work on them, which they can be a dandy. But I just wanted to show you guys some of what we got going on around here. You can see perfectly sunny, beautiful weather. A little windy out, but sunny and beautiful. Then you get over there about North Platte, and it is coming down over there. It is really tearing off a piece over there. So hopefully it ain't too bad. We gotta be that direction tomorrow, so hopefully it passes, because, well, even though I carry rain gear with me and water resistant jackets, if I could avoid working in the rain, I'd like to not work in the rain. So on that notion, I'll let you guys all go, and I'll show you some highlights on this alternator, or I should say alternator, this belt that runs the cooling fans, and the configuration on these motorhomes. So until then, thank you. Sure everything's good on it.
Should I start it up and shut it right down? Or?
Oh no, start it up, let it run. I'll yell at you if it needs to be shut down.
Camera.
It works good because I can put the camera where I wouldn't normally put my head to look at things, especially when something's running.
Give it a few.
Yep. Well, hello guys. Like I said, we got the motorhome all fixed up. I was wrong. The belt tensioner was bad. I could not see it was bad until I started putting a load on it, and it actually wasn't the pulley. The actual tensioner itself was, excuse me, the actual tensioner itself was wired out inside, aluminum housing on aluminum housing. And it was just a bad design. But when I called up the parts houses, they couldn't find one because the number I was giving them. So I went to the parts house and I started going through their boxes, and that's when I was able to find that they made a heavy duty version of that tensioner, which, trust me, this thing needs a heavy duty version of it. That's aluminum housing, steel casings, which made it a lot stronger, a lot better, and I think they're happy with it. Well, I know they're happy with it because if you guys look right over there, see that? That is a storm. Another one coming in on us. Get this just right. Nope, there we go. That's another storm coming in, and I'm pretty sure they don't want their $200,000 camper or motorhome sitting in a hailstorm getting beat up. And if they go that way and they just watch their speed going east, they can stay behind the other storm that went that way. And that's it. I'm gonna go now, go and look at a car fire.